Have you ever wondered how SAP production planning, or PP, and SAP materials management, or MM, actually work together? Both of these modules are among the most important in SAP, and while they serve very different purposes, they are deeply connected. In this video, we're going to break down what PP and MM each do, the key differences between them, and most importantly, how they integrate to keep the entire supply chain running smoothly. So, if you're new to SAP or planning to build a career in this ecosystem, this video will help you understand why PP and MM are often called the backbone of manufacturing and logistics in SAP. Part 2, SAP PP Overview. Let's start with SAP PP, which stands for Production Planning. The main goal of PP is to ensure that manufacturing processes run smoothly, meaning the right materials are available at the right time and the right quantity. Some of the key functions of PP include demand management, translating customer demand or sales forecasts into production requirements. Material requirements, planning, MRP, checking material availability and automatically generating procurement or production proposals. Capacity planning, making sure machines and work centers have the capacity to handle planned production. Shop floor control, monitoring actual production orders and confirming progress. The master data in PP is also crucial. This includes Bill of Materials, BOMS, which list all the raw materials needed for a finished product, routings, which define the sequence of operations in manufacturing, and work centers, which represent the machines or production lines where activities take place. In real life, PP users are usually production planners, schedulers, and plant managers who need visibility of both current and future production activities. Part 3, SAP MM Overview. Now let's move on to SAP MM, which stands for Materials Management. The purpose of MM is to manage all activities related to purchasing and inventory. While PP focuses on production, MM makes sure that the right materials are procured, stored, and tracked efficiently. Some of the key functions of MM include procurement, handling purchase requisitions, purchase orders, and vendor management. Inventory, management, tracking stock movements such as goods receipts, goods issues, and transfers between storage locations. Material valuation, ensuring materials are valued correctly in financial terms based on moving average price or standard price. Invoice verification, matching vendor invoices with purchase orders and goods receipts before payment. The master data in MM includes Material Master, which contains all details about each material, Vendor Master, which holds information about suppliers, and Purchasing Info Records, which link specific material with vendors and purchasing conditions. In real life, MM users are often buyers, procurement specialists, warehouse managers, and finance teams who need accurate material and supplier data. Part 4, Key Differences between PP and MM. Now that we've covered both PP and MM individually, let's compare them side by side. Purpose and focus. PP is focused on production processes, planning, scheduling, and controlling manufacturing. MM is focused on materials and procurement, making sure the right items are purchased, stored, and available. Master data. In PP, the key master data includes bills of materials, BOMS, routings, and work centers. In MM, the key master data includes Material Master, Vendor Master, and Purchasing Info Records. Typical users. PP is usually used by production planners, plant managers, and schedulers. MM is mainly used by buyers, procurement officers, and warehouse staff. Outputs and results. PP produces production orders, capacity plans, and shop floor reports. MM produces purchase orders, stock reports, and supplier invoices. So while PP is all about making the product, MM is all about making sure the materials to produce that product are available. Part 5. Integration between PP and MM. One of the most important aspects of SAP is how PP and MM integrate with each other. Production cannot happen without materials, and procurement makes no sense without production demand. Here are the main integration points. MRP to purchase. Requisition. In PP, material requirements planning. MRP identifies shortages. If stock is not available, it automatically creates purchase requisitions in MM, which buyers can convert into purchase orders. Reservation and goods issue. When a production order is released in PP, it generates reservations for materials. MM handles the goods issue. Materials are taken out of inventory and consumed in production. Goods receipt from production. Once production is completed, PP confirms the order. MM records a goods receipt, moving the finished product into stock. Costing and valuation impact. Both modules are linked with FI/CO. Consumption of raw materials, MM, and confirmation of production, PP, trigger accounting entries. This integration ensures that planning, procurement, and actual production work seamlessly together, connecting the shop floor to the warehouse and the finance department. Part 6. Real-life example, scenario. To better understand how PP and MM work together, let's look at a simple real-life scenario. Imagine a company that produces bicycles. Production planning, PP. The production planner runs MRP to check material availability. The system sees that steel frames and tires are needed for next month's production, but stock is low. Procurement, MRP, automatically generates purchase requisitions for steel and tires. The procurement team converts them into purchase orders and sends them to suppliers. Material consumption. Once the materials arrive, MM records the goods receipt, updating stock levels. When production orders are released, materials are issued from inventory using MM functions and consumed in PP. Finished goods after production is completed, PP confirms the order. MM records the goods receipt of finished bicycles, adding them to the warehouse inventory. This end-to-end flow shows how PP and MM are inseparable. Without PP, the company wouldn't know what to produce. Without MM, the materials wouldn't be available to make it happen. Part 7. Career and roles in PP versus MM. Now let's talk about careers and roles in PP and MM. PP consultant roles. SAP, PP consultants focus on production planning, scheduling, and manufacturing execution. They work closely with production planners, plant managers, and operations teams. Key skills include knowledge of BOMS, routings, MRP, capacity planning, and shop floor control. MM consultant roles. SAP MM consultants specialize in procurement, vendor management, and inventory control. They collaborate with purchasing teams, finance departments, and warehouse staff. Key skills include purchase order processing, goods movements, invoice verification, and material valuation. Why integration knowledge matters. A good PP consultant needs to understand MM processes because production always depends on materials. Likewise, a good MM consultant should understand PP because procurement priorities often come from production planning. Who should choose what? If you're detail-oriented, enjoy working with suppliers and like the logistics side, MM might be the best fit. If you prefer operations, scheduling, and manufacturing processes, PP could be your path. In consulting, integration knowledge makes you far more valuable because you can bridge the gap between production and procurement teams. So, to wrap it all up, SAP PP focuses on production planning and control, making sure manufacturing runs smoothly. SAP MM focuses on procurement and inventory, ensuring materials are always available when needed. And the real power comes from their integration, connecting planning with procurement and the shop floor with the warehouse. Together, PP and MM form the backbone of supply chain and manufacturing in SAP. If you want me to create a deep dive video showing actual system demos of PP and MM integration, let me know in the comments. And don't forget, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who's starting their SAP journey. It really helps the channel grow.